What if I tell you you can create this before after edit thumbnail on your mobile phone easily? Will you believe? Well, if you don't, then just watch this video and you will find out how easy it is to make on your mobile phone. So do not do further delay and let's dive into the video. To create this thumbnail, we need a logo of YouTube, a PNG of the graph, a PNG of the background grid, square grids, and an arrow. As I told you, you can do it easily on your mobile phone. You have to open your pixallab. To create this thumbnail, you have to open your pixallab and then choose image size. For YouTube thumbnail, I will suggest you to go with 1920 and 1080. This is the best ratio for YouTube thumbnail. So then tap on OK and then go here, choose the color as black color. Okay, so to do this we need a picture. You can choose any color of picture like this, any one color picture I mean. Then make it half and then press OK. Then place it in the middle section and make it big and then place it on the half of the thumbnail and then color it as green. Then press OK and then choose the opacity. I will go with 40. I will go with 45%. 53, 44, 45 and then I'll press an OK and then I will copy this one, yeah, and I will place it on the other half of the thumbnail. Then I will color it as red and then I will decrease the opacity so it will look like this. I think I have to minimize the opacity of green also. Add the before after text I want to add, so I'll go on text and then edit and then I have to choose the font. For font I will go with this one. I think this one is good. Then I'll make it big and then I will copy this one and paste it here. I have to edit the text. I should make it after. Press OK. Yeah. This is looking good. And then I have to add a shape. This is how I have to place it and then it will look good. Yeah, I think that's okay. No, cool. And then I have to add the graph. I will browse it from gallery. Yeah. And if you want these PNGs and all the stuff I'm using in this edit, you can check the description box so that you can find it on my Google Drive. I will give you guys on the Google Drive. So I have to place it like this. Yeah, it's looking quite cool. Now I have to place it under everything and under the border. Yeah, it's cool. I will love this section. This is looking cool, and then I have to add another shape. I'll increase the radius so that it look like this, and then I'll copy it and I will place it here in the green section. It's quite cool, and then I have to add the arrow from here. It's a PNG, as I told you in the description. Sorry. I will place it here, then I will copy it, then I will place it here. Oh yeah, it's quite cool. I have to make it red, so that I'll go to color filter and then I will decrease the hue and it will be red. It's red. Then I have to add the text of view, color black. I have to edit this. Views. I'll move bold so that it's noticeable from afar. Then I'll copy this and then I will place it here. Yeah, it's quite cool. And then I have to add and I will copy this text again. Then I will edit it. As 10 school double quote. And then I will copy this one again. Now edit it as 10,000. Then I will just place it as this. So it's quite cool. And then now I have to add the glow effect for the backgrounds. To add glow effect, I have to draw, and then I will increase pen size to 100, then smoothness 100, and then blur radius 100. Then I'll choose the color green, and then I will just tap on the screen. Then I will make it okay. I have to increase the size. Yeah, like this way. Then I'll copy it and paste it here. For this I have to make the color like from before. I have to make it color red. Yeah, it's quite good. Then I have to add this PNG for the background, and as you can see it's looking quite good. I have to color it as white so that it will look good, and then I will place it with the background